best luxury midsize car for 2025 to 2024 Jaguar XF. The 2024 Jaguar XF has been named the best luxury midsize car for 2025, earning accolades for its refined design, dynamic performance, and advanced technology. As Jaguar's flagship in the midsize luxury sedan segment, the XF continues to impress with its blend of elegance, agility, and cutting-edge features. Elegant design and premium interior. The 2024 XF showcases a sleek and sophisticated exterior, highlighted by a bold grille, slim LED headlights, and sculpted lines that emphasize its athletic stance. Inside, the XF offers a luxurious and comfortable cabin, featuring high-quality materials such as leather upholstery, real wood trim, and customizable ambient lighting. The spacious interior ensures a premium driving experience, with supportive seats and a thoughtfully designed layout. The XF comes equipped with an 11.4-inch Pivi Pro infotainment system, which features a high-resolution touchscreen, intuitive controls, and seamless smartphone integration with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Powerful performance and handling. The 2024 Jaguar XF delivers impressive performance with a range of engine options. The base model is powered by a turbocharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine producing 246 horsepower, while a more robust 3.0-liter inline-six engine with mild hybrid technology is available, generating 395 horsepower. Both engines are paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, ensuring smooth and responsive acceleration. The XF also features an adaptive suspension system and rear-wheel drive, providing a balanced and engaging driving experience with excellent handling and ride quality. Advanced safety and technology. Safety is a key focus for the 2024 XF, which comes standard with a comprehensive suite of driver assistance features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking. Optional enhancements such as a 360-degree camera system and advanced parking aids further contribute to the car's safety and convenience. Conclusion. The 2024 Jaguar XF stands out as the best luxury midsize car for 2025, thanks to its elegant design, powerful performance, and advanced technology. Its combination of luxury, comfort, and cutting-edge features makes it a top choice for drivers seeking a premium and engaging driving experience.